Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12-inch by 24-inch pre-primed black canvas. And I don't suppose it matters what kind of black paint you use for base layer on this, but I use the Meeden stuff. This is my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, best paint spreading tool I know of. Should make very short work of covering this quite nicely in a thin but not too thin layer of paint, which is exactly what I need, assuming that I can go somewhat quickly so I don't have a chance to dry. There's no air conditioning going right now. There's no fan in here. Not that there shouldn't be. There probably should be a fan going in here. I don't know what that is. I'm sure you can't see it, but when I see stuff I gotta pull it out. I've got tweezers for that. They're on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is a great place to shop, and it's right below the link tree, which is the first blue link under the video. I'm going to throw that in the bucket right after I take off some of the paint that's on it. And then I'm going to do what I thought I was going to do, which is take some of my Anita's white metallic and put 3 stripes across. And then just go to town with whatever seems like a good idea to me at the time. That is a Prism Pour Hot Orchid. This is a Folk Art color shifting red. I don't know if I'm going to mix this up at any point in time. That is more Anita's white metallic with a little bit of pink in it. Some orange with iridescent pearl fine mixed into it. I'm going to use some gold. I think I might use some blue. Electric blue from Arteza. Good. It stayed mixed from yesterday. I wanted to use a little turquoise. I'm not sure how that's going to look in there though. That'll be alright. Turquoise and the pink will often turn a beautiful color blue. Speaking of beautiful color blue, I'm going to throw some of my Venetian blue in there. I don't think it needs to all be in one line. I think I'm just going to give myself permission to put it wherever I feel like putting it. It comes right down to it. The silver probably would be really nice in there, but I already see the white. I might want a little more orange. Might want a little more red too. It's a very red-orange. I'm kind of missing the white. I think I'm going to give myself a little bit of purple. This is an amethyst from Artist Loft. Well, if the actual swipe looks half as pretty as the painting does to begin with, I should be all set. Or I should just stop. I've got some nice cells. I'm going to use some Amsterdam black with pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax in it. I don't think I need anything else. If I do, I'll add it. I really do like that. I should allow myself a still. So I'm going to put some of this paint right out in a dish. Ooh, there's lumps in there. That's not necessarily a good thing. And I'm going to grab a fair amount of it. You know what? I've got a crib note. And I'm going to troll across the room for a second. And I'm going to wipe that off on a small scrape dish. You get these in the party section of Michael's. I'm going to wipe off my paint. Go ahead and do it again. This time I'm going to use my paint on the edge. I can go over this twice, so I might wind up doing that for sure. I have a smaller card. I actually have all kinds of other things. Tools I made up. Ooh, that one's wrong. These, when you make these, they have to. The stick has to go all the way to support the front piece. I have another one that shows you that. I like leaving behind some things, so maybe that's okay. I might put some more colors in there. I'm going to go back to using the first thing I started with. I'm a little weird about this big gap here. And I see I have something in there. Not sure what it is, but it was enough to leave a little scar behind. I think I'm going to go, I'll get rid of the paint on my card first. Then I'm going to split the difference. Go down that way. I kind of want something in here still. And I might add some more. I think I want it to be the red. And I've got a smaller card and I'm going to use it. It's got a diagonal on it. There, I'm happier with that already. I want more of this, which may require a little bit more. Someone's in the kitchen pounding on something. I like the Venetian blue. Seem to have a goodly number of cells, and I like what's happening. I might want to do something in there. I might want to just use that blue. Might want some purple too. I like that. I keep leaving my bottles in my way though. Kind of want some turquoise somewhere. Maybe this electric blue will do the same thing. Yeah, I think so. Well, it's not exactly like the sketch I made, but it's pretty interesting still. There, I like that. It's got some major cells going on. I think I want to pull some cells out of this, which means if I find my gold, I can probably do that right there. Yeah, pop some cells up. I have some really pretty paint on this card, so I might as well use that too, right there. Let that go right down over the side. Yeah, I'm not unhappy with that at all. I do kind of feel like taking one of my little tools, this one, it looks just like that, and blending those colors. It takes a pretty light touch though. It's just a chopstick on there. I'm not convinced that that's going to make me happy alone. So I'm going to go for the purple. Go figure. I kind of want to blow it with a straw. I'm still too new with the tool. That's better. If I just keep leaving the bottles out of my way, I'd be much happier. I'm going to try the straw again anyway, if I can find it. It's probably under my bottles. There it is. Works even better when I don't drag it through the paint. Well, that might be a matter of opinion because it actually looks kind of cool right now. So I'm trying to think what else I want in here. And the only thing I keep coming up with is that I want more of this. And more of that. And a little bit of that. And don't ask me why. That's the Amsterdam. It's just dying to make some cells right there for some reason. Use the edge of my tool. These little tools are great for covering the edge too. Okay, so I'm pretty close to thinking I'm almost done. So I should tell you guys that I'm closing on 93,000 subscribers. It's taking an awful long time to get there, but I'm getting there. I'm wondering, yes, I have 1 minute and 46 seconds. To tell you guys I do sell my artwork, and my email address is below the link tree. The link tree is the first blue link under the video. I'm getting to be happier with this. I didn't put any of this light colored orange in there, and I kind of want some. Well, maybe I did a little bit. If you'll come out. I don't think it's going to come out. I think that's the one that was closed. This has got a really big opening on it, so I got to be very careful. I'll just use a straw. So there won't be very much of it, but it will draw the eye across a little bit. That's perfect. The torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Please give me a thumbs up. And when you share my videos, it's a big assistance to me. The biggest assistance you can give me is to watch the video all the way through. Helps my placement on YouTube. I have 1,900 videos on playlists, 19 playlists of 100 each. And I'm populating a 20th list now. They're also divided by topic and genre, and if you need a link, let me know. Look, on the end screen video, the exhibition video that changes every month in the last 20 seconds shows the prizes for the monthly drawing, and if you're a contributor through PayPal or Patreon, whose icons are on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, you'll be automatically entered. That was fun and cool, and I like the cells, and it's weird that there aren't any here, but it's cool everywhere else. I'm going to try and zoom in for you before you're gone, and tell you guys thank you for all the wonderful compliments and comments that you leave me to boost my morale, and you do. And thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. There are lots and lots of cells, and lots of great colors too. And it was sort of kind of a plan. So you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Check my Amazon link, and if you shop there, it's at no extra cost to you. I really appreciate you guys helping me out. Thank you very much for being here. I love you much. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. If you have questions, feel free to ask.